Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. If you save your passwords in Mozilla Firefox, you can add an extra layer of security by requiring Windows device sign in before Firefox allows access to your saved passwords. This means Firefox can ask you to authenticate using your Windows sign-in method such as your PIN or fingerprint depending on what you have configured on your PC. In this video, I will show you how to enable device sign-in protection for saved passwords in Mozilla Firefox on Windows 11 and Windows 10. So let's get started. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer, then click the three-line menu in the upper right corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. On the Settings page, click Passwords and Autofill from the left sidebar. Under the Passwords section, check this one option that says Require Device Sign In to manage passwords. Firefox will now ask you to authenticate your Windows account. Depending on your Windows security settings, you can use your Windows PIN, fingerprint, face recognition, or another supported sign-in method. For example, if you normally use a Windows Hello PIN to sign into your PC, select the PIN option and enter your Windows Hello PIN. Once authentication is complete, the settings will be enabled. That's it. Firefox will now require device authentication when you or someone else tries to access protected saved password functions such as editing, copying, or revealing a saved password. This provides an additional layer of security for the passwords stored in Firefox. If you ever want to disable this protection, simply return to the same location in Firefox settings and uncheck Require Device Sign In to manage passwords. Keep in mind that this feature is different from Firefox Primary Password. The device sign in option uses your Windows or operating system authentication, while Primary Password is a separate Firefox security feature. So if you use Firefox on Windows and want to add an extra layer of protection to your saved passwords, enabling device sign in is a simple option worth using. That's all for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more Windows 11, Windows 10 and browser tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.